Bring an end to airborne contaminants in your car with the new cabin filter from Filterheads.com.
The cabin filter is located behind the glove box and will require uninstalling the glove box to gain access. Open the glove box. Push in on the stopper and pull outwards. When it unclips, rotate and pull the stopper through to remove it. Remove the two screws securing the glove box door hinges using either a 8mm socket or a Phillips head screwdriver. Remove the glove box door. Remove the two Phillips head screws in the corners of the glove box assembly. This vehicle didn't have a screw on the left side. Remove one or both of the bolts securing the metal bar using a 5/16 or 8mm socket. You can just loosen the other bolt in order to lower the bar enough to access the filter housing. Unclip and remove the filter housing door. Remove the old filter from the housing and clean out any debris inside. Install your new AQ1054 filter into the housing, with its airflow indicating arrow pointing towards the driver's side of the car. Reinstall the filter housing door. Reinstall the metal bar. Reinstall the bolts on the metal bar. Reinstall the bottom screws. Reinstall the door hinge bolts. Lift the glove box and reinstall the stoppers by threading the rubber part through first. Then, push until it clicks into place. Remember that lifting the housing makes it easier. Close the glove box. Visit our website to order your filter to ensure that it fits.